So how do you put a video on your lock screen on the iPad, right? So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, right? So there are some options, of course, like obviously if you are like watching a video within the like internet browser, like you go to Safari or you just locate some kind of videos, right? You should be able to just exit the app and make sure that the video is playing as a like floating window, and also it should appear on the lock screen, right? So you should be able to control it right there and do whatever you need. However, that might also be enabled or changed inside of the settings when you go to the multitasking and gestures. And generally, I would recommend you to have the start picture in picture automatically because it kind of goes hand in hand. It's like the playing video into the background, right? So you can see that this is how it works. Also, if you most likely want to play the YouTube videos, it also works on YouTube, right? You need to be part of the premium like feature, right? Which is great. I can only recommend it. I've been using it for years, literally, right? And it also works the very same way that I can leave the app and also play the video, like control it from the home screen, and it just gets the job done, right? So let me know if you have something very specific that you want to ask. Let me know about that below in the comments, but most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in those tutorials. So see you later.